Hello guys, so that is my new project, that is Wi-Fi control robot with voice recognition system. So here I can explain you how can I build this, and I just launched one kit of this robot. So in that kit I provide you this board pre-programmed, two batteries, this holder and this chassis and four wheels and LCD and I2C module with an app which is built by me, that is not available on Play Store. So I can simply operate this by using my phone hotspot, phone Wi-Fi. So I can show you how can I operate this. So all my system are off now, and now I on the robot. So first of all, the robot shows smart robot. That is not visible on this mobile screen, but here is written by smart robot. And then I just go to my phone and on Wi-Fi, and one predefined name is set in this robot, that is गुड्डू जयपुर. इसका एक पासवर्ड भी है, वो भी इसमें सेव है. तो आपको बता, जब आप अभी ये अपन ने नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू go forward, so I simply press and my robot goes forward, back, left. एक्चुअली लेफ्ट ये आगे जा रही है, ये पीछे आ रही है, सो ऐसे घूम जाएगा ये, right? And now the fantastic part is that here I can speak go forward, go back, turn left, stop. So as you can see that this robot is operated by my voice without touching my phone. By my voice, that robot will be uh, receiving my command by my voice. So that is innovation. And if you want this kit, so call me on number which is already on my profile and contact me. I can send you this kit. So please do something new for your future. And if you want to consider something about this robot and you have an idea but not have any budget, so I provide you the budget of your project. So please contact me. My company supports you for your new innovation. Thanks.